My name is Jagdish Mittur. I'm a resident in Jakkur, located in the northern part of Bangalore. I have been working in the area of biology, biotechnology for over 40 years, and it's been a wonderful journey for me. I heard from a tweeting bird that tomorrow, the 11th of October 2020, is the 14th birthday of a wonderful organization called Biotecnika. Well, looking back in my view, 14 years ago, today, tomorrow, a beautiful thing happened in this big wide world of biology and chemistry. An organization called Biotecnika was born, and it was born as a tiny dot in the world of science. Well, 14 years later, as I see it, is now Biotecnika a true force to reckon with. In particular for students, for faculty, for industry and startups, and for that matter, anyone who is interested to learn about the role of biology and the role of chemistry in the welfare and progress of the society. Biotecnika has been serving the community in multiple ways. Could be discussion on key topics relevant to society in general, more relevant to chemistry and biology, science in general, identification and promotion of emerging areas that may have an impact today or that may have an impact tomorrow, counseling to the students of biology and chemistry, which is very, very important, particularly for students who are looking forward to growing in their profession, respective profession, methods of teaching, which is the effective way to reach out to the students, job opportunities, identifying key leaders to promote science and technology, be it in industry or be it in academia, and lately many webinars of diverse interests. It has been very, very useful indeed for so many of us. I have known Biotecnika for many years. I have participated as a partner or as an invited speaker in the webinars organized by Team Biotecnika. Friends, I must mention that the Team Biotecnika has been built in a thoroughly professional manner, highly accommodating and highly ethical. I think owing to these key organizational principles, Biotecnika has been able to reach out to thousands and thousands, maybe lakhs of students and other stakeholders, not just in India, perhaps in other countries as well. With this in mind, I really wish to offer on this day of the eve of 14th birthday of Biotecnika, my deep felt gratitude to all, in particular to its founders who are actually a sister and brother combo. It's quite amazing. It's very rare to have a sister and brother coming together to set up an organization, and an organization that actually has achieved success. It is Ms. Neha Suman and Mr. Shekhar Suman, who come from a very humble background in Bihar. They arrived in Bangalore as students of biology, of life sciences in 2003 to study. Well, study they did. While studying, they also found out a huge gap that exists in the areas of information reach out to the people, to the stakeholders, particularly to the students, because they themselves must have found a bit difficult as students to find information that was very much required for the growth of their own careers. So Biotecnika was born in 2006. Now it is in its 14th year. That's quite amazing. Amazing for them, amazing for Bangalore, amazing for Karnataka, and amazing for India. And now that they have reached out to many other stakeholders in other countries, amazing to other parts of the world as well. Well done, Team Biotecnika. I'm really proud. I'm really proud to have known you, Shekhar in particular, and Shekhar's team. Thanks so much for your service to the scientific community and society at large. Congratulations on this day of the eve of your 14th birthday. May you be there for many more years to come to the society. Best wishes. God bless you all. A very, very happy birthday. I look forward to your celebrations. Thank you very much. Bye.
Congratulations, Biotecnika, for your 14th birthday. It sounds amazingly great. The journey what you have traveled in these 14 years is amazing, and I'm sure all of us will agree. Be it the sessions for equipping students for entrance exam, making them ready for the biosciences domain, equipping them with the knowledge and webinars, the way it has been happening, especially in these COVID times, are all amazing ways how you are training, equipping, and building capacities in students and also the teachers or the professionals in biosciences, in particular biotechnology. I wish immense success, continued journey of delight and enchantment for you in various forms, and it's so glad that so many chapters of Biotechnica are there beyond the headquarters at Bangalore. So great Mr. Shekhar Suman, great Neha Suman, great each and every member at Biotechnica. You are all awesome. You are rocking. Continue to rock. And I feel so glad to be a part of this journey in one or other ways which I have been associated. So kudos to all of you. Congratulations. Keep rocking. Keep rolling. Bye-bye. Bye from Pratima Khandelwal. Bye.
I am Dr. T.M. Manjunath, an agricultural entomologist with over 5 decades of research contributions in the areas of biological pest control, integrated pest management, and agricultural biotechnology, with special reference to biotech crops in general and BT cotton in particular. I continue to be professionally active in these areas as an international technical consultant. I am delighted that Biotechnica is celebrating its 14th birth anniversary today, and I wish them congratulations and best wishes. I came in contact with Mr. Shekhar Suman and his team in Biotechnica when I was invited to participate as a speaker in 2 web conferences organized by them on agricultural biotechnology. These had speakers from multi-locations, including BT cotton farmers from 8 states. Their speeches and the entire program were very meticulously coordinated and presented by Mr. Shekhar and his team. I admired their professional competence, teamwork, advanced preparation, attention to details, and moreover, their commitment to strive for excellence. I am sure that these exemplary qualities will be reflected in all other activities of Biotechnica. Several thousand students and subscribers of Biotechnica from all over India participated in these web conferences. Their quality of response was of a very high academic standard, and this is a tribute to Biotechnica as well. Since inception, Biotechnica has been providing a unique platform for students to strengthen their preparations for various prestigious competitive examinations in biosciences. It has a very competent team of biotechnologists, engineers, and other subject matter specialists to guide and motivate them. It has a huge following. I wish Biotechnica continued success in imparting quality education, providing career guidance, indicating job opportunities, inspiring and shaping the destiny of our young and aspiring students. I once again congratulate Biotechnica on its 14th birth anniversary and wish them greater success.
Hello, good morning to everyone at Biotechnica. I am Anand Kumar, former Director, National Institute of Plant Biotechnology, New Delhi. I take this opportunity to compliment profusely Biotechnica, its staff, and all employees a very, very, very happy birthday on the occasion of Biotechnica's foundation. I compliment and appreciate the human services being rendered by Biotechnica with respect to dissemination of biotechnology knowledge to students, scientists, researchers, universities, and academia by providing scholarships, fellowships, helping to make research proposals to young scientists, by conducting conferences and seminars and propagating the message of biotechnology. So I wish you Godspeed and all success in the future endeavors. Thank you.
On the occasion of 14th Foundation Day of Biotechnica, it is my immense pleasure to congratulate the whole team for the successfully implementing many of the new innovative ideas to Biotechnica. It is one of the best, online platform for biosciences. You can see where students, researchers, faculty, and some of the industries are involved, and they have been doing immense good job in terms of communicating as well as conveying the message that is related to biotechnology. I wish them one of the best years ahead and more services to the biotechnology. All the best, Biotechnica team. We are there with you. All the best.
Hey, congratulations, Biotechnica, as you turn 14 today. You have had an excellent journey, starting from a concept, today being the favorite in the hearts of so many young children who are aspiring to be professionals in the field of biological sciences, biotechnology, health as well. The kind of certifications you provide to empower the younger generation to be profession ready, be it in academia or the industry, and to scale heights in research as well. It's a brilliant journey you've had. I wish you all the very best. As you scale higher now, you become a global platform, providing so many tools as well, which is very impressive to see that. Wishing you all the very best, a very happy birthday and a great journey ahead. All the best. Thank you.